Hey y'all, it's Yes Girl 13. And Kyle, we got our new car. I'm so happy. Like, nobody realizes how happy I am right now. Like, to have a AC that runs super cold, a mirror to do the makeup, and just to be in a car again. I've been riding a bike we've been riding a bike for now, 2 weeks? 3 weeks? Sucks. Even though I lost my little bit belly, I'm a happy girl. Because then I now look skinny again. Oh my gosh, jeez, guys, look at this sunset. Ooh, that sun's dropping into the horizon.
Thanks for the blinker. Awesome.
Oh, look at the sky. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, amazing. I forgot my headphones are Sorry, I'm looking for something. Bet you I forgot my headphones at the house. Oh, I forgot my headphones.
How do you have rules now? I'm gonna mess with the door. I see slam the door on the belt.
Oh wow. Well, hell, at least I don't have a freaking gap right here where it drips on me when it rains. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking happy. Like, this is the best day right now to have a car, and thank you to my brother-in-law for helping us.
See this vibration?
Well, it's still a good car.
You feel the vibration?
Alright, bye y'all, peace out, have a great evening, and enjoy your day.